Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. As the anticipation continues to grow for the release of Grammy-winning reggae artist Buju Banton's new album Upside Down 2020, the reggae icon has dropped a new track dubbed Blessed. The track premiered on Fame Frequency on Saturday night.
Tell them so we bless, tell them 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 so we still have life, we no stress, God light shine on me and west.
The passionate Buju belts out lyrics on things that he is blessed for while advising his fans to stay strong. The track has been resonating in the hearts and minds since it was released. Blessed is produced by Dave Kelly and is the fourth track that is featured on the upcoming album. Upside Down 2020 is set for release on June 26. Earlier today, Buju shared this trailer on Instagram with the caption, "The Road to Upside Down 2020, watch now on YouTube, album out June 26." Now on to the international scene where the 2020